what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So guys, you saw that opening there. I was washing my truck off. So we just got a new pressure washer. I was trying it out and everything. Was using the soap that we have for it. So underneath it was really oily. It had an transmission leak earlier. I think I mentioned that in one of my other videos when I'd fixed it. It's been one of the first videos I did. But yeah, so I went underneath, backed it up on the ramps, tried to wash it off as good as I could. So we're gonna pull it in the shop right now, and I'm gonna polish it up and go over it, some minor things on it. So yeah, let's get right into it. So guys, if you're wondering, here I have some of my stuff out that I use for washing or for cleaning. I just picked up these applicator pads from Napa today. I'm going to use it probably for like the tire shine and that kind of thing, and then the trim. What I use for the interior is the Lucas Slick Mist interior detailer. That works really well. Windows, just invisible glass, and then the Lucas Speed Wax for just the overall body of the truck. Now, I haven't used this stuff before, but some places, like right here, you can see it's not quite as black as the rest. I want to see if that could kind of fix that up just a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna jump right in and start, see how quickly I can get this done. Now the tires do have a little bit of mud on them. I have to clean that up a little bit. So yeah. So guys, I think this looks a whole lot better. I mean, obviously, the tires shine, got everything here polished. Now, to show how much of a difference this back to black stuff makes, right here, I did this part, part of the bumper already. I need to clean it up just a little bit more. I still have some residue left there, but see that? You can see distinctly where I have done it and where I have not done it. It looks a lot more faded. This stuff really, I mean, even back here you can tell a difference. So yeah, this stuff really makes quite the difference. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up the rest of the truck and then I'll show you guys that. So guys, I finally got this thing all polished up. I think she looks really good. Wasn't a whole lot different because I did wash it last weekend. So yeah, got all that bumper all polished with that back to black, looking good. So guys, one other thing I was going to do was to replace these hose clamps with a Vibrant T-bolt, stainless T-bolt clamp, but the ones I got I got two different ones. The one for the upper hose is one size, and the ones for the lower hose there, and you can't really see it, it's kind of dark, but for the lower hose. So what happened is the ones I got, all four of them, they sent the wrong ones. I only got the ones for the lower hose. I did not get the ones for the upper hose. So I had ordered a pack of 2 for the upper hose and a pack of 2 for the lower hose, because the lower hose is a little bit larger than the upper hose. So that I could put the lower ones on, but I'd like to just have them all and do them all at the same time, so I'm gonna have to figure out something on that. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna put the truck on the lift over here, and I am going to raise it up and show you guys underneath a little bit. I cleaned it up a bit from what it had been. I should have shown you guys what it was like before, but I'm gonna throw it up here on the lift real quick and show you guys. So guys, got it up here on the lift, as you can see right there, right up in here, whoops, right there you can see I was hitting with the pressure washer and it was taking off quite a bit of the grease there. I didn't get all of it off, I didn't get near all of everything off, but it is a whole lot cleaner than it had been under here. Under here it had been just covered all in oil, all the like the ball joints, the tie rod ends were all like covered in grease and everything. We did use soap on the bottom side too. Going back, so back here it has a transmission leak somewhere, and I'm not too worried about it because I'm getting my new transmission hopefully sooner than later. So you can see there, I mean, there's no oil down here now. Everything's looking nice and clean, except right here on the cross member is a little oily yet. So I tried getting the inside of the frame as much as I could, but some of them I couldn't. So yeah, I just got everything cleaned up as good as I could with it on the ground, the pressure washer. So yeah, I am getting new shocks. That'll probably be the next video. Will be shocks and some other front end work. My wheel bearings are a little bit loose, need to tighten them up, maybe get new bearings depending on how bad they are. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys next time.